for this particular problem, we're trying to graph this quartic function. So what we know is that linear equations, the graph is a line. Quadratic equations, the graph is a U. Cubic equations, the graph is an S shape. And quartic equations, the graph is a W shape. So when we enter our equation in here and we press graph, there's our W shape. The reason that some of the other graphs come out looking more like U shapes is because of the coefficients in the problem. So here, in order to get your graph, just press your second and graph button in order to get to your table, and then you can get these points that you can actually plot on your graph. And of course those are too big and then the other ones are too small. So you got to focus in just on the center. So for problem number 18, you want to know the end behavior. So your end behavior is what's going on the ends of your graph. So here's one end of your graph, and here's the other end of your graph. So this notation says as x is approaching negative infinity, so this is as x is getting very, very small, so you're going out this way based on your x values. What's our graph doing? So our graph is coming down, and it's not going up, it's not going down, it's flattening out. So it's flattening out to the horizontal asymptote, which is 2. If you look at the other end behavior, as x is approaching positive infinity, as your x value is getting very, very large, you're looking this way on the graph. Your graph is coming down, and it's not going up, it's not going down, it's flattening out, and it's leveling off towards this horizontal asymptote of y is equal to 2. So whenever you're dealing with a rational graph or a rational equation and you're talking about end behavior, it's always going to approach that horizontal asymptote, the lines that your graph gets very, very close to.